up, guys? We back again with another video. Today we're working on a Silverado Sleepy Eyes, I guess that's what they call it. It had a previous weld-on sunroof, and someone did that someone else did, and a Titan window that someone else did also. We repaired the sunroof, the Titan window yesterday. It had a freaking nest of wires all over the place. I deleted everything and rewired it myself, and today the sunroof on it is damaged. It opened sideways, so I do got a replacement. As you can see here, this one works. I am going to be installing it on this truck right here, and I am going to be giving the customer 90-day warranty on it. So within 90 days, if it does mess up again for whatever reason, all he has to do is bring it back to me, and I'll replace the sunroof for free. Easy as that. So we did go with the black suede headliner. Here's the old headliner it had. It was torn up. The way they did the tight window button and then the sunroof button. And then they wrapped this around the whole thing, as you can see, instead of wrapping it with the sunroof to give it a clean install. So you can stick your hand in here, and see the motor, which is no good. And went ahead and painted his visors, black everything out. And here's my headliner. I did went ahead and replace the whole headliner, just because that one's trash. And I don't like to try to fix other people's work on headliners, especially headliners, just because they're so fragile. So I stock up on these and just redo it. Got the button here nice and clean for the sunroof, wrapped in black suede as he wanted. It's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and rip off that sunroof, take that one out, install the new one. Not a new one, it's a used one, but it works flawless. And we're gonna go ahead and install it, make sure everything's powered up, and I'll get some video of it opening and closing, and go ahead and throw the headliner. All right, stay tuned. All right, here's the old one. As you can see, it opens kind of at an angle. It's all messed up. You can see the gap here compared to there. Here's the old one. We're gonna go ahead and throw away and then install the new one. Get this on. I'll get some more video of it when it's powered up. As you can see, here's the Titan window somebody else installed. You can see the glue, all that. You can tell that's not my install. My installs look like this with the gasket. As OEM as you can make it, but yeah. But we got him squared away. Like I said, on the headliner, he had the button up on top. Went ahead and put it right here. And then they did a lot of cutting that you're not even supposed to be cutting on these aftermarket sunroofs. I mean, these factory sunroofs that you get off of another vehicle. They cut here, the hole here for the clip for the headliner. So that kind of makes it, you know, it kind of sucks because that's what holds the headliner up here nice and tight. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install the sunroof, get it all bolted in, wired on, and go from there. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the Silverado. We got everything installed. Customer came, picked it up. He loved it. 100 times better than what when he brought it to me. Like I said, this was all somebody else's work. The sunroof, the Titan window, all that is It's all somebody else's work. So, but we got them done right. Everything's 100% on Titan window operating, and sunroof replacement operating 100% and with warranty is the best part of it. But that's gonna be it. Stay tuned for more. We got a lot more videos coming, so just stay tuned. All right, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.